Hi, welcome to this Pen Publishing Interactive video. In this video, I'm going to show you FlipperSD CMS e-commerce features, specifically how to create and add attributes to products. Let's get started. So I'm already logged into my FlipperSD website, and I'm under e-commerce and attribute templates. So I have this product that I already have on my site. It's on my online coffee store, and right now I have it set to just what you see on the screen. I just have quantity, pricing, my shipping's there, picture, and some description. So there's pretty basic setup for this product. So what I want to do is I want to be able to create an attribute or attributes that people can purchase different sizes of this type of coffee. So a small bag of coffee, medium size bag of coffee, large size, etc. So that's what we're going to do in this video. So in Flipper, go to e-commerce and attribute templates, and I already have some in here. And all you need to do is add new attribute template, and you can select the type of attribute you want to create. I want to create a drop-down list, and then I'm going to call it coffee bag size, select size. So this is the prompt that'll show on the other side. I'm going to leave that alone, and I'm going to hit save. And attribute is created successfully. Now, when I do that, I can start creating my attributes, and I can do price adjustments here. So I'm going to do add new attribute, called small bag. And on this one, I don't want the price to adjust, so I'm going to leave that at 0. I don't need to row validate, and I don't have any products to currently add this to, so I'm just going to hit small bag, no price adjustment. I'm going to hit add. Now I'm going to create another one. And this one, I want to increase the price from the base price by $2. So I'm going to add 2 there. So increase the price by $2 because my medium bag is a little bit bigger and there's more cost to me. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to leave everything the same and so forth. So I'm going to do large bag, and I'm going to add this one. I'm going to charge $4 extra. And once I'm done here, I'm going to hit save. So I created a drop-down list for coffee bag sizes, and it's going to prompt users on the front end to select the size. And here is the sizes that are available and the price adjustments, basically in addition to what the base price is for this type of product or this coffee. So I'm going to hit save. And now I'm going to go back to my product here. And again, this is the basic setup. There is no size selection here. And I'm going to hit edit product. Once I do that, I'm going to go to the variations tab, and I'm going to find the filter that I just created, the attributes that I just created. So coffee bag size drop down list. I'm going to drag and drop over here to associate those attributes with this product. And I'm going to scroll down here and I want to hit save. Now, when I go back to my product, I'm going to go online store, medium roast coffee. Now I have the select size option. And again, we created small bag, a medium bag, and a large bag. Now this product's a little bit different because I have quantity pricing. If you only have the pricing set for one at a time, it'll look a little different, but for the most part, it works the same. So if I select small bag, you can see the price didn't change. If I select medium bag, it's going to add $2 to each one of these. So I'm going to hit 2, and then you can see here the adjustment. If I change it to large, again, it adjusted the price. So I'm just going to go ahead and select 5 large bags, and I'm going to hit add to cart. And you can see the pricing is there. And if I change this to 1 and I update it, the price changes the way it's supposed to. And again, it's a large bag there. But that's how easy it is to add attributes to products in FlipperSD. Hope you found this video beneficial. Thank you for watching. If you want to learn more about pen publishing services and products, visit our website at penpublishing.com. If you're on Facebook or Twitter, you can follow us and find us there. And if you're watching this on YouTube, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and until next time.